Is this product really any good? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's check it out.
I am always having to tighten these screws in the gate hinge. Let's give it a try and see how well the tool does. Here's the battery that's the heart of the GoPAK system. It has some nice little indicators on the side that tell you how much the battery is charged. What's interesting about this battery is that you charge it via USB, and it also has an output port for USB. The last test seemed to go pretty well, so I decided to try another test. This time I'm driving a screw into a heavy fence post. This drill is often part of a GoPAK kit, as shown here. The tool has the usual safety interlock, as you can see here. I had trouble adjusting the torque settings on the chuck. I thought it was very difficult.
Well, I admit this little drill surprised me. It was actually more powerful than I thought. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.